Where is he?
He's out? Okay, he's good.
Good.
I know.
Josh!
My friend get shot out in there?
What?
Did my friend get shot?
No, he's right here.
He's still there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go, go, go.
No,
Go.
he's good, he's
Fucking
good.
go in.
I thought you were out. You got someone?
Yeah,
I got two people. Oh shit. Move it, Dane.
Cover it. Go in, clear.
I can't get this angle on.
Go.
Fuck you. Go. Hunter, you got him? You got this side?
Soft foot, Dane. I can't hit him with my.
Did you watch the outside?
So I'm righting. There's a guy in the door right there. I need to right you right there. Someone who can shoot with their right hand.
Josh,
Here.
Josh.
Fuck you.
I'm a lefty. I have no angles there. Get to where I just was and get those guys. I can't get angles out of my pants.
Can you get him? Dude, move in.
Where is he? Where is he?
All in this room right behind me.
Where?
Right behind me. Through this wall. Got your barrel! Check your barrel! Is he out? You got this.
You're out.
Get in here. Get in here.
Oh shit, sorry. Are they out?
Guys over there?
There's one more.
Here, move in. You got him? Go, go, go. You can get him. Go, go, go. We got you. Go, go. Go, go, go. Okay.
I'm moving up.
Go, go, go. I got you.
See anyone over there?
No.
I'm running across that.
Okay, go.
Oh!
Sorry. Watch out, man. Dude, move. Yeah, you watch right there. Ty, move in. Go. Move in. You're clear. Go, go, go.
Clear over here, Tyler.
You're ready to take fine. Go, go.
He's in the doorway.
Dude. I got you covered right here. Just go.
Watch this. I can't see anything.
Ty, go, go, go.
Hold on.
Get in here, man. Get in. Dude, get in. Come on. Go, go, go. Go. See him?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Watch him. Go. Dude, watch right there. Watch right there. It's right there.
They can come from there.
Dude, move. Dude, move your gun.
We're in the house.
Get in here, quick.
Yeah.
No, get in here. Get in here. Yo, kid on the wall. Move back. Ty, move back. Go, move in, go, go, go. See him?
Watch that door, Josh.
Hey. Yeah! Hey man, you're gonna surrender. I got 6 people if you're not a man. You a man? Yeah. Well,
I'm out, guys. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Yeah, man.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. You can't get him from here. Go. Game over, guys. Game over. Right? Is the game over?
I heard the game over call and I don't see any evidence.
It's over, guys.
Yeah, boy. We won. Guys, you did good. Yo, Ben, nice job.
Who was the guy who pushed? Ben?
We all pushed here,
Or
man. It was a team effort.
who was the one guy who came around through the building?
Through the building, don't know. But he's good. He was
Oh, right there? Right there. Dude, he was awesome, man.
That's all he was in the barn last night.
Dude,
Yeah, good stuff, guys.
you were awesome there.
Good shit. Good stuff.
You want to go through the building one more time?
Yeah,
This time?
what happened?
We need you in there, man.
Took the barn completely.
Awesome.
One guy got me out.
I need to go refill my tank. I saw my buddy flank him, but then he got put out, but he killed like 4 of them in there.
Yo, dude, I got you.
Brian, we made one dude surrender.
Need a
I'm like,
pod?
"I got 6 armbands, just come out. He's like, okay, that's what I do.
Here, I'll take it.
Tell us it was all clear.
Yeah, sure.
I almost shot that guy.
That was me. I caught my head around the corner. I'm like, armband.
Dude.
I was like, bang, bang, bang.
Dude, I was along the outside and I saw you. I was like, I don't know whether or not to shoot you.
I'm like, show me yours.
I was like, bang, bang, bang. I shot you too when you came out that doorway.
Well, I came from the top and I ran down like between the that red thing. I ran down
how'd you
to-
get I'm gonna go refill. We're switching sides right now. We're gonna
walk right back. Well, I went down to this building.
Clear that building again. Dude, that was fun. I was like,
Dude, that was so hard.